There is something irresistible about the aroma of roasted garlic. While garlic is a common ingredient in every kitchen, in the ancient times, it was highly valued for its numerous health-benefiting properties, which are still followed in many cultures today. The health benefits of garlic are aplenty. It is advised to consume garlic in a specific manner. Place a clove between two teeth. Bite a little to release its extracts and then swallow whole with water. The medicinal value of garlic is best unlocked when it is consumed raw. Hi, I'm Lida. Welcome to my channel. Today I will present 7 benefits of garlic you may not have known. Number 1. Garlic, the blood purifier. Take 2 cloves of raw garlic with some warm water every day, early in the morning, and consume a lot of water in the entire day. If you're looking to shed some pounds, squeeze the juice of half a lemon in a glass of lukewarm water and have it with 2 cloves of garlic in the mornings. Garlic will help to cleanse your system and flush out toxins. Number 2. Garlic for cold and flu. Garlic is going to provide you relief from that stubborn cold and flu. Taking 2 to 3 cloves of raw or cooked garlic a day or sipping some garlic tea with a touch of honey or ginger to lift up the taste is not only going to relieve a stuffy nose, cure the cold, but also build your immunity against these frequent visitors over time. Number 3. Garlic for prevention of heart disease. Consuming garlic on a daily basis in food or raw helps to lower cholesterol levels because of the antioxidant properties of allicin. It is also immensely beneficial to regulate blood pressure and blood sugar levels. It is essential to remember that the sulfur-containing compound allicin tends to lose its medicinal properties when garlic is cooked whole. It is imperative to consume garlic raw or semi-cooked to derive any of its benefits. Number 4. Garlic, antibacterial and antiparasitic. Garlic is one of the best kept medicinal treasures of the past era. It has been used as an antibiotic to treat bacterial, fungal, and parasitic infections for the last 7,000 years. Studies suggest diluted garlic extract helps children with tapeworm infections. A garlic-based mouthwash may not sound like fresh, minty breath, but a very small quantity of its extracts is sufficient to ward off cavity-causing bacteria. Number 5. Garlic for cancer prevention. Several studies have indicated an association between daily consumption of garlic and prevention of stomach and colorectal cancers. It is said to strengthen the immunity of the body against cancer. Number 6. Garlic for skin and hair. The invigorating properties of garlic protect the skin from the effect of free radicals. It slows down the depletion of collagen, which leads to loss of elasticity in aging skin. Applied topically, garlic does wonders to skin infected with fungal infections and provides relief from skin ailments like eczema. It is also an effective remedy for fungal infections like athlete's foot and ringworms. Number 7. Garlic reduces arthritis pain. Garlic also eases pain and other signs of rheumatoid arthritis. Its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties help bring down swelling that comes with arthritis. It also has diallyl disulfide that helps lessen enzymes that hurt cartilage. To soothe pain from arthritis in swelling and aching joints, use garlic in your diet all the time. It is best to eat it on an empty stomach. That's 7 benefits of garlic you may not have known. If you enjoy watching this video, please share it to your friends.